I come from a technical background, but I never had experience with R or any of the analytics tools before. So when I looked at for different programs, most of the programs were like 3 to 4 weeks long. Nothing impressed me, and then this came up in my search where it was a 5-day program. I mean, initially I thought it's taxing, but then at the same time, when you start working on it, it is really exciting because you're learning something new. And when you start seeing those results, and even if you're getting stuck, if you have passion for analytics, I think you will enjoy this. And at the same time, you will start learning a lot. Overall, it was a great bonding, and it helped me not get exhausted and worried about things because we were having fun. And at the same time, we were learning stuff and exchanging each other's ideas. At the end of the 5th day, I think all of us are at the same place. So that's the beauty of this program. You could come from any background because we are covering some diverse topics here and making sure that it's a level playing field. And again, going back to the motto of, hey, this is for everyone. If you are interested in analytics, we can get you through. And that's what I love about this bootcamp.